But now we want to move into more specific. That's why we are working on with Ministry of Education and Training to have that MOU, another MOU, another level. So we already have the framework agreement. Now we would like to have the MOU. And then next step is technical agreement. That can be, embassy can do that with the university. So hopefully I'm working hard on these things. We'll make sure that these things will be in place. And soon, we will also have an agreement on visa exemption for ordinary passport holders. So all Vietnamese and Timorese who wants to visit, Vietnamese wants to visit Timor, Timor-Leste wants to visit Vietnam for 30 days will be free of visa. This is almost finalized. The two government, I am working hard on that. Hopefully will be signed before Timor-Leste become member of ASEAN. So if His Excellency Prime Minister visit in October, then that will be signed, sorry,